Everyone, I'm here to explain about the rank predictor in Gate Overflow website. For this, enter Gate Overflow rank predictor. When you click this link, this navigates to the rank predictor page. Here, you can enter the response URL. Once the response URL is entered, the page gets loaded and everything comes here. The response URL should be from the Gate website. For this, clicking on this page, IITB link opens. There you can log in and get the response URL. On the right hand side you can see set 1. In this year there are two sets in computer science. Whichever URL I submitted, it belongs to set 1. So this display as 1. If we go with the response URL of set 2, it display as 2. So by submitting the response URL, it automatically takes the set number, attempted questions, correct answers and total marks. Attempted. These are number of attempted questions 1 mark and 2 marks. In GATE we have 30 1-mark questions and 35 2-mark questions. So 22 1-mark questions were attempted out of 30 and 25 2-mark questions were attempted out of 35. So total 47 questions were attempted. Correct answers. 16 1-mark questions were correct out of 22 questions and 14 2-mark questions were correct out of 25 questions. So total 30 questions are correct. Total marks. 44 marks are from the attempted questions, minus 2.33 are the negative marks. So total 41.67. Look for the correct answer at the below. And if by any chance it is not shown or it is shown as 0, there might be a network issue. So press Ctrl Shift R so that the page gets refresh. And if your option of any of the question is answered wrongly, that is, chosen answer is something and correct answer is something else, and if you have any doubt, you can click on this URL, discussion on Gate Overflow, and this will take you to the discussion page, that is, to the question page in GVO. Now click here for rank, and this opens the rank page. Here, the marks are automatically populated as well as the set. They usually use scaling formula for the normalization. Here the marks are 41.67 but the normalized marks are 39.53 for set 1. But when we go for set 2, the normalized marks are 42.89. Based on this, we can say that this year set 2 is more difficult than set 1. Below, here are set 1 marks and set 2 marks before normalization. 3004 are total number of submissions in set 1. 3315 are total number of submissions in set 2. Total 6319 people submitted their responses. This is overall set 1 and set 2 submissions. Here we do not count the repeated submissions. You can submit your response URL any number of times, but it takes only once. For example, count of submissions in set 1 is 3004. These are unique URL submissions. Here we have top 0.1% average and sum of mean and standard deviation. These data, they can be used for normalization. This is explained in GATE website, or we can have a video for this. Here the marks interval is 5. In this range of 85 to 90, it is 1. And in the range of 80 to 85, also there is 1 person in set 1. Whereas in set 2, between the range of 80 and 85, there is 1 person. And 75 to 80, also there is 1 person. Coming to overall, 85 to 90, there is only 1 person, which is from set 1, and from the range of 80 to 85 there are 2 people from set 1 and set 2. Above 70, there are around 23 people in set 1 and 11 people in set 2. Overall, there are around 34 people. Set 1, the maximum number of people are in the range of 25 to 30, that is 335. And in set 2, the maximum number of people are in the range of 20 to 25, that is 445. And now we can see after normalization. In higher range, even set 1 marks are getting increased, similarly like set 2. But set 2 marks will increase more comparatively. Here, mostly the people scoring above 70 are getting increased in set 1, but in set 2 will be more. As a result of normalization, out of 500 ranks, approximately 250 will be from set 1 and 250 from set 2. Here we can see the qualifying marks. Last year qualifying mark was 28.5 for general category. This year we are not sure, but we can expect it to be 25. If you have above the qualifying marks, it means you get qualified. But again, it doesn't mean you get an admission in good college. Score. This is calculated based on normalized marks. That is, hardly 2% difference can be expected when the original gate score comes. And we can see the 2020 score when we mouse over on the current score. So in 2020, the score is 478.53. It means this year paper is more difficult comparatively. As we already have the marks, but still we have the score because many people may not take the gate admission at this year and may take next year or the next year, as gate score is valid for 3 years. If this paper was more difficult for the same mark, the score will be higher compared to the last year. Example, 70 marks will have 700 score this year. Last year it might be 650. The score will have normalization among the sets as well as among the years. So 2 levels of normalization already applied, and this score will be used for admission in almost all the institutes. A rank of 400 is having a score of 700 this year and a rank of 400 is having a score of 750 last year. Then this means the cutoff is 750 last year will be matching to the cutoff of 700 this year. Rank in set. This is the rank out of total submissions on set 1. Rank normalized. The rank normalized is just the rank based on the normalized marks. Final rank is expected to be in that range given. So currently his rank is 1622. Based on the normalized marks 39.53. Rank estimate. The rank estimate is between 4704 to 6896. For the people ranked within 2000 will have a chance for good colleges. Between the ranks 2000 to 5000 can have some decent college options. But above 5000 to above have a chance of state level colleges. Thank you.